And guys, if you remember few days ago when Lakshman asked me something about string, I told it's a different ocean. Okay. Now you will realize what exactly that ocean is. Huh? Now we are going into that. Okay? Clear? Shall we start? So take big grand heading string. अब मजा आया क्या हुआ बताओ trying to say something पक्का तुम ऐसे बहुत सारे क्वेश्चंस लेके देख रहे थे ऐसा लगा मेरे को हाँ so I am waiting for that only when exactly that move will happen. So take heading as what? Strength. So guys, now everyone, first of all, don't write anything, just take heading. Remaining everything you have to copy at last now. Okay. String means what exactly the concept is. Okay. What exactly the concept of string means? Guys, let's say there is some certification exams are there for Java. ACGP, OCGP, okay, Oracle Certified Java Programmer, some Certified Java Programmer. If you try to attend that exam, if I know it will not happen, okay, we will always go in else part, but by chance, okay, yes or no, Deepshika? By chance, okay. So if you go there, that's the reason you are missing her. Correct. So if we go for that examination, okay, then you will came to know one part, guys. That exam totally happens for 100 marks. Out of that 100, 40% minimum. What I'm saying? 40% minimum syllabus is on string. That means without string, if you going to appear for that exam, by attending all the topics, you cannot crack it. That much important topic is what? String. Is it clear? Then 200% sure, without asking a question on string, your Java interview will not go. Okay. To be honest, sometimes I think interviewer will not feel only, yes, I am taking interview. Until and until that person not ask something on string. Clear with it? Okay. Same thing apply on me also. When I will take mock, my complete focus is on what? String. Because that is the major part which we need to focus. Got the point? Okay. So what exactly string? Why string is more important in all of the things? Okay. For that, biggest reason is, guys, you take any application, Flipkart, Orange HRM, ActiTime, Facebook, any application in the world. Is that application exist without a data? No. Correct, no? Data is there. And guys, in that 90%, more than 90% data exists in which form? String form. Even though you are thinking our username, password, that is also string only. Correct, no? Password is a combination of alphanumeric, that. String only. Okay. Very few data are there who are belongs to other data types. Otherwise, most of the data deal in where? String. Are you getting my point? Yes. Okay. So, as string is widely used data everywhere, that's the reason most of the question comes from what? String. Clearer? Okay. Now say, what exactly string means? Okay. First of all, up to now, more than 1,000 times we people write a string. In a main method only, string array args everywhere. Okay. Today in automation only string expected, string actual. Okay. You tell me, is any time we import string? What it means? If we never import, it means that class comes from this package, Java.lang package. Okay. So first point, string is a class presenting Java.lang package. Okay. So guys, as 90% data exists in application is in string format. So due to this wide use of string, it is also considered as a separate non-primitive data type. Okay. Technically, every class is a non-primitive data type. But we are always saying string is a separate. String and class we are keeping separate. Technically, both are the same only. But as it is widely used, that's the reason string is considered as what? Separate non-primitive data. Everyone clear on this? Confirm? Pakka? Okay. So now guys, say, what is string? If someone asks you, can I say group of characters? Yes, no? Multiple characters you combine together. Space is also character. Everything is a character. Okay? Clear? So what is string? String is nothing but a collection of characters or group of characters. Collections or group of characters. Is everyone clear on this? Okay. Now guys, let's try one interesting thing. Okay. So string is a class present in Java.lang package. So that's the reason we never import it. So can we write
No, we cannot. Comparatively, yes, we are getting the properties of string.
no?
No?
Automatically we are getting property of object class. See, string is very much popular. So obviously there will be some kind of properties exist in which class? String class. Okay. Can we inherit those properties? This is my question. What do you think? String is also one of the class. Correct? No. Okay. So if you are not giving by itself class going to where? Object class. Child of object class. But now what I am saying? Test is a child of string class. Is everyone clear? Pakka? 100%? Okay. Now, answer is what is the answer? Compile time error. What it means? I am trying to do inheritance with a string. I am not able to inherit string class property. What it means?
String class has some separate methods.
When we are getting this extend string, we are not getting object class properties.
No, wrong.
String class has
String class
separate methods.
methods implementation is different from object class.
Wrong answer.
Sir, normally class is extends to object, and that object class may be extends to string. That's why you cannot do this.
Wrong answer. We are getting error. What it means? We are getting error in inheritance. What it means?
You cannot do this.
String class has some different
Inheritance is happening, we have to override those.
I am getting error in inheritance. What it means?
String class has some special methods.
Final is final. Final cannot be netted. Final cannot be netted. Maybe strings are final.
This is a valid point. I am saying inheritance not happening. Compartment error. Which class you cannot inherit?
Final.
Final class. Today only we learn those. Keshav. Tomorrow come with some energy drink. Okay. Huh? Otherwise teacher is also good. Okay. I am just sharing some knowledge. I am getting inheritance error. I cannot able to inherit. Then what it means? What it means? Maybe string class is final, because final class cannot be inherited. Okay, guys, trust me. This is just the beginning of this ocean. So many things will come. So learn this with open mind, not with a closed compact mind. Okay. So another reason, which class you cannot inherit? Private class. Class can be private. You will have class from radio only. Which class we cannot inherit? One final. No. Another is if constructor is private. Remember singleton class. If constructor is private, inheritance not happen. Or if class is final, inheritance not happen. Can we say one of these reasons has to be applicable on string class? Okay, so what will be our conclusion now? Either string class will be have private constructor, or else string class is final in nature. Everyone clear? Pakka? 100%? Okay. Then now apply little bit brain on your head. Just few days back, we saw overriding of equals method.
Yes, sir.
There I show you string class equals method is overriding. If you remember there, I create an object of string class with a new keyword. Check your notes.
Yes, sir.
Check. Yes, ma'am?
Yes, sir.
Correct, no? Saujanya.
Yes, sir.
Say. Correct, no? Can we create object of string class?
Yes, sir.
Can we create object of string class?
Yes, sir.
Yes, no?
Yes, sir.
If object is created, that means 200% sure constructor is not private. So which choice method? String is a final class in nature. String is a what? Final class in nature. So save this. Go here. Now what? Are you having error? Cannot inherit from final string. Any confusion, guys? Pakka? So guys, now see the next point. Okay. If this is the story, that means can we say string is a final class, string is final class declared in Java.lang package. Okay. For example, this. Now, what it means? String is a final class. What it means? What happens if class is final?
All the
All
methods
methods are final.
Huh?
all the methods of the
All the methods of that class become final automatically because inheritance not happen. Without inheritance, overriding not happen. Okay, means all the methods are final. So that means, can we say, guys, string class method cannot be overridden. String class method cannot be overridden. Is everyone clear? Confirm?
Yes.
Pakka? Any confusion up to this? Confirm, na?
Yes.
Okay. So guys, do one thing. First write down the this.
उसका यही चला है चला रहे तो मैं देख लेगा तो फाइनल बना
हाँ डन प्रशांत रिकनेक्ट हो गया हाँ सो ज्यादा ही वॉल्यूम हाँ सो कैन वी इनहेरिट फाइनल क्लास कैन वी इनहेरिट स्ट्रिंग क्लास कंफर्म ना पक्का ना ओके नाउ guys that means string class methods never be overridden no one can change its implementation okay now see next point is pay attention very carefully now here next point is guys now I want to show you one very simple code okay very simple code so where is okay so okay let it be here what okay so guys now see in this let's assume I create one string object string str equals to new of string what I am making hello correct na so after this what is the meaning of this will output
Sir, address is not address. Package being that class not
so hello test the dot any problem then what it means that means it is overridden what is overridden to string method is overridden in a string class okay any confusion not on this output is हाँ? और जब तुम पिछली बार ये कोर्स लिखा तब तो होगा ना तुम्हारा। नाउ प्रश्न में से इसका पढ़ाई से कोई लेना देना नहीं। हुआ तो से हाँ done everyone online people done with the copy. Okay, so what is this extra point in our list now? ToString method is overridden in string class. Okay, now guys, I want to show you one interesting case. So here, what will be the output? Now, everyone, pay attention. What will be the output? Hello. Then I will do, guys, str dot concat. There is one method in a string class. What is the method? Concat method. What is the meaning of it? Concatenation, join. So I will say concat with what? Word. Now I will again print str. Can you please tell me what will be the output? Hello. Word. Correct? Can you explain me the flow from starting? Flow I am asking, not output. Huh. First, we are creating what? String object. What is the object value? Hello. We print hello. Then what we are doing? On that object, we are concatenating with word. So what will be the final output? Hello word. Clear with this? Am I clear?
Yes.
Okay. Here, every way is just like a snake like this. Okay. Not straight. So here, what is happening? Basically, If this method is not there, then I should get compile time error. Suppose cannot find a method of what? Concat. But method is there. What is the meaning of that method? Huh? Concat means what? Joining of two strings. Okay. So here guys, what is happening? Here, this is a concept of immutability. This is the concept of what? Immutability. Now, what is the question now? What is immutability? Okay, now listen. There is two words, mutable, immutable. Mutable means which can be changed. Immutable means which cannot be changed. Are you getting my point? Pakka. Mutable means which can be changed. Immutable means which cannot be changed. String objects are immutable in nature. Okay. So, guys, now say, what heading I took? Immutability. Okay. So first point is string objects are immutable in nature. Everyone clear? String objects are what? Immutable in nature. Immutable means the object which cannot be changed. Which can be changed. So guys, how many people understood this case now? Correct? Ultimately, can I say you try to change this string object from hello to hello world, but it cannot be changed. Any confusion in this? How many clear? Raise hand. Swasmita, shoulder pain. Then, not like this, like this. Swasmita, like this. I am not getting still. Her shoulder goes like this. I said vertical. You are getting inclined, acute angle. So, clear with this? Confirm? Yes. Now question is, where that hello world goes? Correct, na? Where that hello world goes. Okay. So observe here guys, what is happening internally? What is happening internally? To make you understand this, we have to go to where? Okay. So, this is our program. Now guys tell me, in the first line, can I say object is created? Yes or no? Yes. Who is pointed to this object? str. What is the content? Hello. Okay. This is the content. Now here you are printing this. Here, can I say you try to change that object? So guys, whatever I told you till now, that is half concept of immutability. Immutability means what? Which cannot be changed. But if you try to perform any changes, then with that changes you will get separate object in a memory. With that changes you will have one more copy. Is everyone clear? That means on this object, okay, on this object, you are trying to concat what? world. So that hello world is going in a new object. And here this object is without any reference. This object is in without any reference. There is no reference for that object. How many clear with this? Confirm? So let's start from beginning. Immutability means what? Means which cannot be changed. But if you try to perform changes, then you will get new object with that changes without any reference. Is everyone clear? So third means if we try to perform any change in immutable objects, then we will get new copy of that object with those changes. Is everyone clear with this? Is everyone clear with this?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And those changes without any reference. Get new copy of my object with those changes without any references. Am I clear? Okay. Now see. Guys, now I will change just little bit part. If let's say you want to use this, you are concurring, na? Let's say you want to use this. Okay, in future you want to use this, you want the reference. Because until and unless you will not have reference, you cannot use that object. Okay, so you need a reference. If you want a reference, then string str1 equals to str. Is everyone clear? In this story, what will happen? In this story, what will happen? If I change this, observe here, I will remove this. If I do like this, now what will happen, guys, in this situation? str1 pointed to this new object. Any confusion, guys? Pakka? And guys, you just try to print str1. Now what will be the object? What will be the output? Hello world. Is it working? Pakka? Any confusion in immutability? So again, because this is 100% one question in interview. What is immutability? Which cannot be changed. Take that. Now I will change that. Then we will get separate objects in a memory with those changes. By itself, it is without any reference. If you want, you can assign a reference. Is it clear? Okay. So here we will say, if we want to use that updated object, then we can provide a reference. Is everyone clear on this? So guys, are you in the position to explain this answer? What is immutability? Okay. Can you prove this? Maybe chances are the programmer will ask, can you prove immutability? Write that simple concat program. Practical proof. No doubt. So guys, it's Rajeshwari. Done. Online people. Okay. So guys, now tell me, what is immutability? Which cannot be changed. But what happens if you make changes? You will create a new object. Okay. Without any reference. But if you want, you can allocate a reference. Now guys, one simple question I am asking. Just one line I want to answer. Short, sweet. What is immutability? Which cannot be changed. What is final? Which cannot be changed. Am I right? Nah. Then what is next interview question? Final and immutability. Final versus immutability. Take heading. Final versus immutability. Now, so final versus immutability. Now, listen, guys. What exactly difference? Very minor difference is there. Okay. So, try to understand. I am giving you one example. Okay. Anyhow, I hope you are seeing Java everywhere. So this will add, so we will add some more dreams in that. Okay. So, guys, listen. How many are purchasing vegetables? Simple question. Is there anyone who didn't purchase vegetable? Lucky or unlucky? Deepshika, Jayashree, till now you didn't purchase vegetable. Not in your PG, in your home. Never. Then who purchased vegetable in your home? Sounds great. From this I am remembering that dialogue. कहाँ से आते हैं ये लोग? जॉली LLB. कौन है ये? What happened? Saujanya, you purchased vegetables. She left out. So now one thing is, so apart from you three, you can imagine, remaining people, practically you done this. Okay. You people purchase vegetable. Now say normal level. Okay. We are saying from our normal level, we are purchasing vegetable from a sabji mandi. Now please don't ask me English translation of sabji mandi. Okay. Vegetable market, that is also one of the standard. Okay. Standard. Mandi, it looks like Okay. कुछ अपना लगता है. Okay, means just like if someone say like okay कहाँ गए थे और what you bring. Okay, I bring some items from vegetable market. Not sounds good. वो feel नहीं आता. Correct. That is a proper way. So normally we people will bring vegetables from mandi, sabji mandi. Another way is we can bring vegetables from, let's say, Reliance Mart, D Mart, or some Fresh Mart. So many mart are there. Yes, no? Confirm? Okay. Now, guys, here our Indian mentality comes into the exist. Tell me, in a sabji mandi, okay, we will go to purchase a vegetable. If rate is 30 rupees per kg, starts from 20. Bargaining. You guys didn't enjoy that thing. You missed that golden winning feeling. Okay. Once you will purchase some item by bargaining, rather than purchasing that item, we done bargaining that. Confidence is something different. Huh? What? Okay, there you are doing bargaining. Fancy stores. Yeah, maybe ये कोई अलग class होगा. Not sounds like normal people. Okay. हाँ? मीठी नींबू धनिया हमेशा फ्री होता है. If someone pay for that, that is not true Indian. That is not true Indian. Okay. Now listen the next half of a story. We will go to vegetables. We will do one bargaining. Okay. Now you tell me one thing. Okay. Whether by itself that vegetable seller, that person will tell, hey, I am saying 30, you bargain, I will give 25. Will that say like that? Openly everyone? No. Okay, that fellow will say 30 means 30 only. Okay, you try to bargain, that fellow will say, go next. Okay, I will not do. Some rigid he will have, some rigid mentality he will have. He will not adjust that much easily. But then our Indian bargaining skills arises. Somehow we will convince that person to reduce 5 rupees, 10 rupees, whatever it is. Okay. Now, if we reduce, will that reduce the rate applicable to all the customers after us? Or that is only for you? Only for you. That is immutability. The things which cannot be changed, but you can make changes only for you, you will get separate copy. Now, that feeling you will not get in the Reliance Mart. Try to do bargaining there. There, final means final. Are you getting the difference? What is the difference between final and immutability? Immutability means which cannot be changed, but flexible. Okay. For separate, only for you, you can get separate. Okay. Final means which cannot be changed. Okay. If you try to do, they will say it's already discounted price, D-Mart price. Trust me, still that is costlier if we purchase from Mandi. Am I right? Yes. Confirm. Any confusion in immutable and final? I think this is the bestest example to convey this. Clear? Okay. Now onward start purchasing vegetables. Correct. Start purchasing. Okay. And try to do bargaining also. Otherwise, you will miss that golden skills what every woman is having. Seriously. Okay. Sometimes we Indians do so much silly mistake in bargaining. Okay, we will say, hey, last time when I purchased, it is that much cost only. That person will think 2 months back I opened the shop. 3 months back this lady come to my shop. How it is possible? Correct, no? हाँ हमेशा तो यही आते हैं हमेशा पहली बार नहीं है but that's the reason India is great. Okay, so now guys, now listen. Final and versus immutability. Is this difference clear? Okay. In interview, don't say sabji mandi hai. Okay. Otherwise, final versus immutability. Okay. Sir, do you purchase vegetables? Don't ask there. So, now let's make one technical answer. Concept is same. Let's make technical answer. This final means which is cannot be changed permanently. Are you getting my point?
Yes.
Which cannot be changed permanently. Okay. Once it is fixed, it is fixed. Okay. If you try to perform any changes, you will get compile time error. Is everyone clear? But on other hand, if immutable means which cannot be changed. But if you try to perform changes, no compile time error, we will get separate code. Any confusion? Pakka? Now, guys, now observe here. Here we will say final and immutability both are restricting what? Changes. This is similarity in both the sides. Both are restricting changes, but final means which cannot be changed at all. If we try to perform any changes, then we will get what? Compile time error. On other hand, immutability means which can't be changed, but if we try to perform any changes, then we will get new copy of that change. Is everyone clear? Online people, then with a copy. Okay. So this is all about what? Final versus immutability. Okay. So guys, immutability means which cannot be changed. If you make changes, then new copy will be changed. So if there is a change in existing copy, then only new copy will be created. Am I right?
Yes.
Okay. Final means
Cannot
cannot be changed, only no possible, not at all. Okay. Now listen this carefully. Now question is, why string objects are immutable in nature? What will be the answer? Tell me. Obviously, anyone will ask you this interview, this question. Why string objects are immutable in nature? Is everyone clear? Tell me the answer. Why string objects are immutable? Means think now, there are many objects available, Chrome driver object, okay, in our automation, many objects are there, object class object, student class object, okay. In future, we will see many predefined classes, scanner class object, system class. We will never say those are immutable. Why string objects only immutable?
String object data is very important. That's why it's cannot be introduced. It cannot be destroyed.
Okay.
Some external links must be connected.
Objects you load in Wikipedia.
Every object will load in Wikipedia. Not only string
There is
object.
a new copy will be loaded inside without any reference.
That is also in Wikipedia. Tell me. What happened, Chaitra?
Why? Because it is mostly used. Whose data will be stored in string form.
Widely.
Okay, any other? Dilip? Huh? Guesswork, man. No one knows here. Why you think? Why string objects are immutable?
Maybe because most of the cases we are using string only. More than 90% cases.
to make secret.
Secret.
Secure.
Secure. Huh.
To make it unique.
Secure proper way. Any other reason? Guys, first of all, whatever judgment answer you people give, those are exactly correct. And to be clear, I already told you, 90% data exists in application in string form. So guys, now every company, every application will want their data must be secure. Are you getting my point? Yes. Our data must be secured. Okay. Just like, let's say, username and password. Okay. Let's say whenever you are logging, guys, somewhere, like in a net banking account, okay, especially where finance is needed. Okay. Let's say in a banking, your net banking account, you try to log in. Username, password. Tell me, can I say that username, password will travel along through a web?
Yes.
Will travel along through a web and reach to bank server. server. Are you getting my point? Let's assume you are having account in SBI. You will try to log in SBI net banking account, enter username, enter password. It is loading. That load means what? That is a time to connect that request to the server. Very simple. Then your username password will go in a server. Then server will validate whether whatever the username password you give, that is matching with that server database or not. If it is matching valid credentials, you will get home page. Not matching, we will get error message, invalid credentials. Everyone getting my point? Now guys, in this, when you are clicking on send and then it is traveling to a server, in this time period, there is a game of hackers. Correct? No? Once it is in server, we cannot do. Once it is in application, browser, we cannot do. But once it is in web, then some intelligent brains are there. Okay, who can catch the information, something. Okay, so obviously guys, to make it more secure, if let's say in that traveling someone change username, someone change password, okay, then it will become a trouble. Are you getting my point? Are you getting my point? Okay. To be honest, in olden days, this is a very popular hacking trick. Means someone says the request, I am saying request from my system, my PC. In the middle, someone will, whatever username password I give, instead of that, someone change that username password, which is belongs to some other account holder. That account holder login will happen, everything happen, IP address goes in a tracking of this machine because request initiated from this machine. So original hacker will get saved. Okay, we will say that person cannot be traceable.
Because IP is not from there.
Okay, this is a very normal, cool trick. Okay, but to overcome that, okay, best solution found by Java. They make string immutable. If you make any changes, if anyone make any changes, old data never gets changed. You will get new copy of changes. Are you getting my point? Okay. If you want to make a change, then you will get a what? New copy, but original data remains unchanged. Okay. Obviously. Okay. So now we can say, guys, majorly to improve security for a data, strings are immutable in nature. Is everyone clear? Pakka? Confirm? Okay. Basically, guys, these all things is game of data only, nothing else. Okay. Everywhere, if you see the market, everywhere we are running behind the data only. Okay, and that's the reason data must be secure. Okay, just assume, see, you are, I guess you are well matured to understand this. Okay, at this age. Here, if let's say, don't take any big branded company or something. If let's say Testyantra database only gets leaked, that is a huge trouble for us. Every company's data is more important. Okay. If our data goes in some other hand, then ultimately we can say we are under that person control. Same way. Okay. Just like take example, Google. Just assume for 1 hour Google database hack, the entire 90% world population available there. Everyone having Gmail account. Everyone Gmail account linked with somewhere. That's it. Okay. That's the reason those people hire particular person whose job is what? Secure their data. Secure their data as much as they can. So the first step in that data security is use immutable objects. No one can change it. No one can alter it. Even though you try to change, you will get new copy, but old object only run the business. Is everyone clear with this? Okay. So guys, why strings are immutable in nature? Obviously, to provide more security on data. To provide what? More security on data. Here we can say as same line. What we are saying here as what? 90% data exists in application is in string format. Okay. Just like username, password, etc. Is everyone clear with this? Pakka? Note on this. No, Anirudh?
Welcome to the webinar. You have entered as an attendee in listen-only mode.
Fine, see you.